So welcome everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Bharath.Insights. So today I'm back with another interesting video which is nothing but from the Google. So they bought AI agents workshop for 5 days free course. Okay, so if you participate in this course you will get a very good certification from the Google, and also you'll be getting a swags from the Google and other partners. And the interesting part is it's completely free of cost and lifetime offer. If you are a student, if you are a working professional, if you are career gap person, if you are from different tech experience, if you want to understand how this AI agent works, this is a right time opportunity for anyone to utilize this free opportunity. And this is not only from simple organization, it is directly from the Google. Okay, so without wasting much time, so hit subscribe and like this video, and let me move to the next process, how exactly this free course is all about. Okay, so Google released this video, and this is 5-day AI agent intensive course. So with Google you can able to apply, and it is starting in the month of November 10 and it is ending in like November 14, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total you have 5 days to finish this event. You have enough time to for better preparation. So it is in the month of upcoming month, so you can share this video to a lot of your friends who are looking in need to gain knowledge on AI agents, especially from the Google. Okay, and not only this, last already like 420k in the last year they did the same. 420k registered from the worldwide. They have attended this 5-day generative AI intensive course with Google, so they already did very good job. And the interesting part, it is a no cost course which is designed to the next frontier of AI. So, and what is this exactly 5-day AI agent intensive course is all about? This 5-day online course was crafted by Google's ML researchers and engineers, basically to help developers to give them some better knowledge on this AI agents. So you will be building the core components, which is nothing but models, tools, orchestration, memory, and evaluation. These are the 5 agent core components in the AI agent, so that you will be finished. So finally you will be discovered how AI agents will move beyond LLM prototypes to become production ready system. It is not like regular course where you will be getting online. So you will be provided with some real-time use cases and it would be covered at the end of the day. So by end of the day you will be ready to build, evaluate, and deploy your agents to solve real world problems. So let's understand how that this intensive program works. So everyday participant will receive the following. For example, you will be provided with daily assignments. In the sense, this includes like you will be having the all companion code labs that you have to complete at your own pace. So at the every single day you will be provided with a task and we have to complete that. Then next you will be provided with a Discord discussion threads where supported by Kaggle's Discord server, and it will have a dedicated channel focused on this reading, and it is an excellent pace where you will be having all the doubts from the clarified from the Google experts. You can able to connect with them, you can ask questions, and it get resolved. So not only that, you will be also having daily live stream seminars and ask me anything sessions. For example, in these 5 days they will be going Kaggle's YouTube channel, and you have all the contributors will deep dive into the topics and you can answer all your burning questions. So this is very interesting. It is not like recorded, it is completely live AI agentic course. You can learn some real world problem, and after 5 days the main core area is from the Google. They're also providing you to finish a capstone project, so you can add this as your project portfolio. If you are a fresher, if you add this capstone project portfolio into your resumes, obviously it will boost value for your job search. Or if you are an industry expert, you can also increase your hands-on experience. So you will be worked with real-time capstone project. So if you complete this, you'll be getting a badge from Kaggle, swags from Google, and recognition from Google as well. So this is launched on the last day of the event, like nothing but November 14th. It is nothing but like after completing the course, if you understood everything, then you will be having a wonderful opportunity to finish this capstone project. But it is it is optional for you, but I would highly recommend you have to complete this capstone project for better experience. See, attending live classes and doing assignments and leaving as is doesn't serve you the purpose. Putting practice into the capstone, that will make real AI agent developer. So let's try to understand what kind of things would be covered in this 5 days. So it is from the scratch. In the day one, you would be taught to introduction to AI agents and agentic architecture. This is a foundational concepts basically in AI agents, and we'll also have a discussion on how agentic architecture differs from we also readily available traditional LLMs. So this is covered on the day one, and day two, AI agent tools and interoperability with MCP. So you will be driven with AI agents, how it will take action by leveraging external functionalities like also and APIs. So you'll be explored with the ease, and you will be offered with an MCP tool as well. So model context protocol. So day three would be context engineering. So sessions, how session works and how memory management works. So day three is very important. Like you will be explored how these AI agents would be remember the past interactions, and they will maintain a context. So the most common problem in the AI agents are recognition of the memories asked by the user. So it should go to the previous history and it should give us a proper response. So that would be implemented in two terms like short term and long term memory to create like more robust agents. So it is not covered most of the areas, but it is covered here to handle some like complex and multi-run tasks. In day 4, which is very crucial in day 4, agent quality, like you have created your agent and you are leaving as is. That's not the case, but in this day 4, agent quality, agent observability, logging, tracing, evaluation, metrics. So this is very crucial for your project. You will be learned how this AI agents are very reliable, with improve how you can improvise your agent. So this covers, like as I mentioned, like how you can trace and you can provide visibility. Different optimization of performance of these agents can be done in the day 4. So day 5, it is not like local. You can prototype these agents into the production. So go beyond local testing, and you can learn and deploy and scale your agents with this real world use case. So this session covers while deployment the best practices, how you can deploy your AI agents so that others can use your AI agents, and including like how you can create multi-agent system with like A2A protocol, where nothing but agent to agent protocol. So all these things would be covered in this 5 days. Very crucial and very interesting topics is being covered, and bringing us from the Google. So let's try to understand few things like what kind of a knowledge I should need basically to attend this initiative. So you have any day, it is starting in November. Right now we are in October, so you have a lot of knowledge to gain a basic experience in Python programming, how Python works and all. Even if you don't know, you can able to learn in this exercises and basic concepts of AI, like for example, what do you mean by LLMs, what is prompt engineering, so that you can make it more easy once you are start this course. And not only that, you should also have an understanding of this Google AI Studio. So it is reliable, like it is available in most of the areas. You can go through this link, you can able to understand this Google AI Studio as well. And you should be familiar with handling like Kaggle notebook. This is very easy, and where you can run your code to deploy all your work there. So what is the time commitment? See, which is anyway coming from the Google, and they have made it very flexible. You need to spend 1 to 2 hours a day to complete, and you will be having like 60 minutes long of each day session, the live stream. So how you can share your work, you can also have this Kaggle's Discord, you can join and you can share there. So what do you mean by this capstone project? Like real world capstone project would be developed. You should have this agent developer kit to develop their a project. So duration of this capstone, as I mentioned, it is only for 5 days. You can able to submit the capstone by November 30. It means you have 15 days time till submission of this capstone project. So you will be awarded with certificate, medals, points. Yes, obviously credit. You will receive a badge from the Kaggle as well as from the Google. Swags you will be provided. So how much is the program? See, it is completely free. Share this video. If you know any student, if you know any working professional who wants to learn this AI agents, hit like on this button. I'll try to bring more programs like this from AI and big MNCs, so that you will be ready for your upskilling journey. So how you can apply this? The steps are very simple. Just click on this join button, and it would be reached to this step. So you can sign in with Google or continue without signing in. So you can add your Google email like this, then click on next. it would be provided with this email sign on. So once you are done with email, then it move to the next steps like registration. You can add your first name, you can give your country, you can, how did you hear about this, how you attended any previous events, you can click what is your occupation, like it can be available for student, developers, architect, business, ANTS, can be anyone. Then you hit register, you will be received a confirmation email from the Google directly to you. So these are the steps which I want to cover. Very good opportunity from the Google to learn and explore these AI agents, and it is booming in 2026. It started in 2025 already, and it should boom till 2026. So Gen AI now it's becoming AI agents. So let's see in future what kind of new things we're gonna see. So if you like this video, just hit subscribe and comment what kind of new things you want me to cover. So I'll happy to cover you that. So thank you so much for watching this end of this video. Thank you.